Designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing a dynamic worksheet to analyze the given class interval frequency table. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We are going to design a worksheet for the given class interval frequency table, cost of living index and week. This I have taken it from NCERT textbook. Now we are going to analyze it totally. If you use this GeoGebra, when you enter this data to it, it will give you the histogram and it will give you the frequency polygon. The frequency polygon it gives. And it not only that, it gives the total value of mean, then standard deviation, sigma x square and so on, it will give you. Therefore, after the calculations are over, a child can come and check whether his calculation is totally right. Let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. Here from the view, you can go to directly this spreadsheet, or from here also you can go to spreadsheet. Algebra is not required and graphics is also not required. Okay, here already I have typed it to avoid wastage of time. This cost of living index, weeks, everything I have copied already. Cost of living index and weeks, everything it is given already there. I have taken it in a Excel worksheet and I will copy it now. I will just copy this and I will come and paste this data over here. Okay, now remember, here we are having class interval in the first column and we are having the frequencies in the second column. Okay, the first column gives you the class interval, the second one gives you the frequency. Here you should be a little bit careful. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, the class interval and the frequency table. Okay, it is there. Okay, now what you have to do is, first you select only the frequencies. I repeat, select only the frequencies. Select all the frequencies. Suppose it has, I think this is having only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 frequencies. For I have 6 class interval, therefore I am selecting only all the 6. There are 10, you select all the 10. After selecting, come back to this one variable analysis and then click it. Now this already we have done it for analysis of ungrouped data. You see, this is already taken by it. Don't now click analyze. I repeat once again. After these frequencies are selected, click this one variable analysis. It will get opened. Now we don't want this to be analyzed. We want the class interval frequency table to be analyzed. Therefore, click on these options. Click on the option. I repeat, click on the option. In that, I want the class with frequency. I want class with frequency. Then simply click it. Again, it will ask you the class and frequency now. No need to type. You can type the frequency over here, but I already have selected it. Here we are having one hand symbol. Simply click it. Then it will get selected. Now you see 5, 10, 20, 9, 6, 2 got selected. But these classes are not fixed now. It is fixing the classes from 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and so on. Now it is having an option. What is the starting point? 140. What is the width? 10. We know it. That's all. Now you see 142. Okay. Now you enter. Now you got 142, 150. Now the same table has come over here. As usual, simply click analyze. When you click the analyze, automatically it will all the data will be get analyzed. It will give you the histogram first, and by clicking this sigma x, you can get, I think I will go to the option and then I will change the font size so that you can visualize it carefully. Okay, now n is equal to 52, its mean is there, its sigma is there, s is there, sigma x square, everything it gives you. Okay, this I am clicking it. Okay, sigma x I got. Then again here you are having one button, option button. When you click it, then you can have the class rule also. Suppose if you want to change the class rule, whether 5 is included in 140 to 140 to 150, or it is not included, like that you can have 10 is included in the left hand side or the right hand side. You know the idea. For now histogram you got. Now if you click it, histogram will go. Then when you select this frequency table, you see the frequency table is once again it is being shown at the bottom, but we know it actually, we have already seen the frequency table, therefore no need to worry about it. Okay, then frequency polygon, you see we are just seeing the frequency polygon. Is it okay? Now this actually, whenever you are been given a class interval frequency table, all of you know that a child will be try to draw it in a diagrammatic fashion, or he will try to find the mean, he will try to find the standard deviation and all. Therefore this table gives you perfectly, whenever a class interval frequency table is given, you can enter it, and by simply a click you can go and verify it. Actually it is very simple. Okay, frequency table is the frequency, normal curve also it comes, therefore it is very very interesting. But a child will try to understand that the histogram whether he has drawn is perfectly right or wrong. Here you are having this option where if you click it, you can copy it to the clipboard, and you can use this histogram for any presentation or anything you want to make use of it. Therefore, thank you. Let us learn to lead.